Hey everybody, Mike Wittig here, Professor Klaus. Going to show you how to do a color matte in Adobe Premiere Pro. What we're going to do is we're going to go right here to this page item. It's called a new item in the project panel. We're going to click it once and we're going to see right in there we have a color matte. Color matte is automatically the size of the sequence that we're using, and so we're going to just hit OK. And then we're going to be approached with choosing a color. So we're going to pick a color. I'm going to pick blue in this case. I'm going to hit OK. It's named color matte, hit OK. It goes inside our projects here in our project bin, and we're just gonna drag that over here. And then you can see I have a color matte. So now with that, I can also add a title on there by just hitting T for text. I'm gonna click right here and I'm gonna put in my name. And this is how you use a color matte to create a backdrop for a title. Yeah, color mattes can be used for lots of things, many different ways. You could do it for a background, a placeholder, for color correction, just put it into a specific section of your video and use a blend mode on it. There's all kinds of ways, but it's just a handy little tool to know where it is and how to use it. All right, folks, well, it's always a pleasure teaching you something. I hope it is teaching you something. And if you liked it, please do check the like button and subscribe. It goes a long way. Take care.